Regarding the Notre Dame Cathedral, and as we are talking about renovation, there will need to be a selection of materials, notably to rebuild, and that will be a question that will need to balance the historic value of this heritage monument, and notably this so-called forest roof structure made of all those monumental timber beams had a huge heritage value, with on the same time we need to balance with fire safety as we have seen. So it's interesting to note that in the case of the Reims Cathedral in France, which was bombarded during World War I and destroyed by German bombardment, it was rebuilt in the next decades using concrete for the roof structure, actually, and I think everyone agrees that it has been a huge success in terms of renovation and maintaining the architectural value while using a more modern and fire endurant material. Now, that doesn't mean that fire endurance cannot be achieved with timber. That is certainly not true. And again, an efficient fire strategy would rely on a combination of layers from prevention to structural endurance, and that can be achieved with timber. But for the many visitors of the cathedral, this wood roof was not accessible, I believe, and was not so really something that they could see. So I assume that there will be a discussion, and that possibly the use of concrete would be on the table for the rebuilding.